You sound exhausted, me too. Why put on a brave face? I'm not strong. I need skin, muscles, nerves, temperature, electricity. I've no need for words, but for touchy weight. Ages contours, friction, a surface to press against. You sound exhausted, me too. I dream of sleeping with you. I was just from above with a higher breath and organic spiral. You sound exhausted. Or is it just me? I feel the pressure. Who is stopping us? Next time we're there, standing by the open car door. Let's run away with that